Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Ranita. Let's make banana Oreo milkshake today. If you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be never missing out any of my new uploads. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference and let's get started. Add small slices of banana into your blender. Crush about 3 to 4 Oreo biscuits and add them into your blender as well. Blend them until they are smooth. Now add cold milk to the same and blend again. That's all. Your banana Oreo milkshake is ready. Let's serve it. Decorate your glass with chocolate syrup. Fill in some ice cubes. Chocolate syrup and ice cubes are optional, anyways you can have it right away. Fill it with yummy milkshake. Further decorate it with powdered Oreo or whole Oreo biscuits. Add a straw and drizzle some chocolate syrup on top and serve it immediately. That's how simple and easy it is to make banana Oreo milkshake. Hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social media, as to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.